Good morning, this is NC4XL, Dom, the darling old man, North Carolina for extreme lovers, and I'm not. What I'm sharing with you is I did a little setup practice today for additional antennas that might be in the car, and I had the Wolf River SB1000 set up. So I took the base, which is the longer legs, not the short mini legs, and I used the hub to screw the legs in and put my two ground radials. And both of my ground radials are 18 feet, but each radial has 3 radials together. So it's really 6 radials, but there's 2 runs at 18 feet. I run RG58 coax 50 feet, and I was utilizing the Chameleon SS17 213-inch whip. And I did some adjusting, playing around to see what I could do with just the whip and no coil, no tuner. Everything that I've done here is without a tuner. So if you have a tuner built into your transceiver, that's great. If you have an external tuner, that's fine. If you're like me, you don't, so you need to know as close where you can get to. The following information I'm going to give you is considering that the SS17 is screwed into the mount. And when I say into the base, the section that is screwed into the mount is the base. So when I say one section into the base, it's actually 2 sections all of a sudden becoming one. I hope that made sense. So let's see what we got. For 20 meters, fully extended, I got a 2.0 to 1 SWR. Again, no tuner, just the ground radials on the Wolf River coil base. On 17 meters, I had 3 sections into the base section. What that means is it's actually 4 sections, but 3 of them went inside that base, so you're not confused. And again, we were at 2.0 to 1. That was at 18.130. From there, I continued on to 15 meters to 21.350, 21.350. And I had 4 sections into the base section and had a 2.3 to 1 SWR. And when I went from 15 meters, I went to 12 meters. And on 12 meters at 24.950, I took 5 sections into the base section, and again achieved a 2.3 to 1 SWR. And when I went to 10 meters, 28.400, I took 6 sections into the base and got a 2.3 to 1. And on 6 meters, I took 7 sections into the base and got 2.0 to 1 on 50.200. And for 2 meters, 146.520 Everything was down to the bottom, inside the bottom. So if you get in a situation and you had the following antennas riding with you, there's some opportunities for you to use. And if you have a tuner built into your radio, you can take some of the compromise and eliminate it. I don't like using a tuner, but sometimes you have to. I have one, but I've probably used it 3 times and decided to get working on resonant antennas. That's my experiment today. Again, remembering when I extend the fully extended whip and I say into the base, I'm not counting the base section as a number. I am sliding these sections into the base section. I hope that helps you. Just playing around, trying to give a short answer to some issues that people might have. How can I fix it? How can I work it? Well, there you go. That's a start. Enjoy. God bless. NC4XL, North Carolina for extreme lovers. And I'm not just dumb.